Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the online classes. We are learning the first chapter, geometrical constructions. The further part is construction of a triangle. All of you knew that a triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices. Okay. First method, to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. A triangle has three sides, and when the lengths of all three sides are given, then construct the triangle. First example, draw triangle XYZ such that length XY 6 cm, length YZ 4 cm, and length XZ 5 cm. First we will draw a rough diagram of triangle XYZ. This is a rough diagram. X, Y, Z. Now length XY 6 cm, YZ 4 cm, and XZ 5 cm. First we will draw the base. Base is side YZ. What is the length of YZ? 4 cm. Therefore, draw 4 cm. Y, Z. Repeat this and follow me to construct the triangle. Okay. YZ is 4 cm. Now, take a compass and see the length of XY. The length of segment XY is 6 cm. Therefore, take distance from the scale in the compass 6 cm. Now, XY is 6 cm. Therefore, put the iron end of the compass on the vertex Y and make an arc. Okay. Now, length of segment XZ is 5 cm. Again, take distance 5 cm from the scale in compass and put the iron end on the vertex Z and make an arc. There we get a point. Name that point. What is this vertex? X. And now join point X and Y. This is 6 cm and this is 5 cm. Are you getting? It is very easy. First draw a rough diagram and then by observing the rough diagram, draw the fair diagram by the given conditions or by given the data in the example. It is very easy. First we draw the base YZ, then in compass we take the distance 6 cm, iron point, we put iron point on vertex Y and make an arc. Again, then distance of the segment XZ is 5 cm, take the distance in compass, put the iron point on the vertex Z and make an arc, we get the point X and then join. We get the triangle XYZ. Follow this all process and repeat again to draw a triangle with all the sides, all the lengths of sides are given. Second example, draw an isosceles triangle. There are 6 types of triangles by using the angles. There are 3 angles, and by using the sides there are also 3 types of triangle: isosceles triangles, equilateral triangle, and scalene triangle. Isosceles triangles means a triangle which 2 sides are equal. Again, we will do the rough diagram. Isosceles triangle, it means base is given here 5 cm. It means 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal. Base is 5 cm. And other 2 sides are 3.5 each. 3.5. Name the triangle PQR. First we will draw the base. Okay. What is the base? Segment QR. How much the length? 5 cm. 5 cm. Length of segment QR 5 cm. Then other 2 sides are 3.5 cm. Take 3.5 cm distance in the compass by using the scale and put iron end on the vertex Q and make an arc. Again, here take the same distance 3.5 and put iron end on the vertex R and make an arc. We get a point. Which point? P. Point P. Now join PQ and segment PR. 3.5 cm. Here also 3.5 cm. Are you getting? It is very easy. Isosceles triangle, it has 2 equal sides. Scalene triangle, it has not any side is equal, and equilateral triangles, all 3 sides are equal. By using this, we have drawn the triangle. Now there is practice set. Practice set 2. This is the homework for you. Practice set 2. Question number 1. There is ABC. A, B, C. Then question number 3. We have learned question number 2 here, and therefore you have to solve question number 3 only. Okay, these 2 questions. In first question there are 3 sub questions, and question number 3 you have to solve in the maths copy. This is the homework for you. Okay, thank you.